guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I guess I can say Happy New Year. Like, oh my god, I can't believe that we're literally almost 3 months into this new year, and this is like my first video. So I'm so embarrassed, but at the same time, if you guys only knew how much has been going on in our lives, it's just been too much. We're gonna sit down and film a separate video because it deserves to be explained. We owe you guys an explanation big time. But a lot of you guys do know that we were just recently in China, so that's going to be its own video in itself because that was a lot and that was crazy. But I can't believe that this is actually my first wig of the new year because I literally have not been wearing wigs in months. I want to say the last time I put on a wig was sometime in October. But this is actually the first wig of the new year. And of course, it does come from one of my favorite Amazon hair vendors, which is called Sheenreal. If you guys check the info box below, I will have all the information provided there. This is the wig that I decided to pick up. It is their 360 lace frontal wig, and it's in the water wave texture. It's 180% density, and mine is 16 inches in length. It is 100% Brazilian human hair, and this is what it looks like. They also have that rather large comb in the back that has about 12 combs. It's meant to give you added security if you decide to wear your wig in a ponytail, and I love that about it because, yes, it just makes the hair lay down so much flatter in the back. But one thing about this wig is that the hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are pre-bleached. So you see what I'm doing right now? You don't have to do this. So for those of you guys who are beginners, who are looking for a wig that's all ready and set to be worn, get you this wig right here because I am customizing it to my own liking, but I did find that I sort of wasted my time. I didn't have to really do this. This wig is ready to go, but for those of you guys who want to learn how to do this, you guys can go ahead and keep watching. I'm just bleaching my knots. I did use my BW2 powder and my 30 volume developer. I allowed that to sit on the knots for about 30-35 minutes and I rinsed off. I'm using my neutralizing shampoo followed by my shimmering light shampoo just to kind of get that brassy color to sort of fade just a bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and condition, redefine the curls. You guys know it. If you guys have been watching us for a while, you guys know how we do. Nothing has changed, but a lot has been perfected. But I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this step right here, and I will talk to you guys once I'm finished. Okay, so now that I'm finished bleaching the knots, I'm going to move on to customizing and styling up this unit. Right now, I'm just spritzing down the hair with a little bit of water before I go in and tweeze out the front perimeter. Again, this is really not necessary. It's completely optional. Once again, I found that this unit is pretty much good to go. However, you know me, I like to add a small touch to my units to sort of, you know, give it some individuality. So I just thinned out the front perimeter, and I didn't really take out that much hair. You're gonna want to be really careful not to remove too much hair because you don't want to create a bald spot. But once again, like I just said, it's not necessary. So now I'm gonna go in and style up my wig. Now it's been quite some time since I worn my wigs in a side part, so I'm gonna do a side part today, and it's somewhat of a curved C side part. And I spritzed down the hair with a little bit of water just to sort of redefine the curls and get rid of all the frizz that I could have caused. And I'm using a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse to sort of lock in those curls. And yeah, so that's how this is turning out. Now I'm going to do some baby hairs. I know a lot of you guys may not like them, maybe so, but do you guys still wear baby hairs? Like, I know it's been a minute since I worn a wig, and I don't know why I'm acting brand new, but do you guys still like baby hairs? Can you guys leave it in the comment section below? Because I'd like to know. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing my baby hairs, and this is the wig completely dried. Yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think about it. I'd like to know. So now the next step is to sew on your elastic band, and I'm only doing this just to give my wig a better fit. So I know we all have different shaped heads and different size heads, so I do want my wig to fit my head properly without it slipping off. So I'm just taking my elastic band and I'm sewing it into my wig. I did measure it from ear to ear to give you a proper fit, and then you're going to want to sew it at the ear tabs on each side. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I just used my C curved needle, some regular black thread, and it was self-explanatory. But here I am, it's me, long time no see. But yeah, so here's the wig, and it is 100% dry. You guys can see the texture and the baby hairs. Once again, this is their 360 lace frontal wig. It is 100% virgin Brazilian hair. And here is just a close-up of the curl pattern. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite texture. I love water wave hair. But right now I'm going to go in and cut off the lace. And I know a lot of you guys love to see this, so that's the reason why I'm showing you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lace, and I will see you guys once I'm finished. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig, and I did want to apologize in advance for the lighting in this video. I opened up my blinds and it completely sort of washed out this video, but eventually I will get up and I'll close it. So if you can bear with me for the time being. But yeah, now I'm going in with my Got2b glue gel, and I'm applying that along my hairline, and I find that this gel works better for me than the actual spray. But yeah, I'm applying that along the hairline, and if I can give you guys a little bit of advice, make sure that you take off your foundation before you apply it, because you guys can kind of see that milky color along my hairline. Yeah, it's been a while, you guys, it's been a while, but yeah, go ahead and make sure that you just sort of wipe that foundation off first before you put on your wig. But yeah, I'm gonna go in and just press it down, and I did use my blow dryer. It made it a little tacky so that it'll adhere a little quicker. And now I'm just going to do up my baby hairs using a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse, and then I'm gonna wrap it up with my wrapping paper, or my wrapping wrap. What is that stuff called? Wrapping wrap. But yeah, the black wrapping paper that you guys are gonna see, and allow this to dry for about 30 minutes. And once I've done that, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So it's been about 45 minutes or so, and I'm gonna go in and remove that paper. And this is what I meant by making sure that you remove your foundation. You can kind of see a little bit of my foundation caked up a bit, but if you just use like a washcloth, a little bit of warm water, it just came right off super easy. Now I'm going in with a little bit of black eyeshadow to kind of tone down the lace color. I find that I have a really difficult time finding wigs that blend in with my skin tone. It's usually always a tad bit too light, and I didn't use my black tea to tint the lace. However, that is a good option. If you find that your lace is a little too light, just use a little bit of black tea mixture and soak the lace in it, and it'll tint it just a bit. But now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder just to help open up that parting space. Now I'm going to follow up with some water just to kind of get rid of that hump on top, as well as a little bit of foaming wrap mousse to help redefine the texture in this wig. Now you're going to see me close my blinds. I'm so sorry, the lighting was just so distracting to me, and I was like, let me just close the blinds. So yeah, went ahead and did that, and yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. You do notice that the lace is just a tad bit too light for my complexion, but next time I will definitely tint the lace so that it blends in better. But you guys, get into this wig. I absolutely love the textures. It's my favorite texture. Oh my god, I love it. And once again, this wig does come from Sheenreal. You can find them on Amazon Prime. I'll link all the information down in the info box below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I will talk to you guys a little later. Bye guys.